If you're looking for modern luxury, an unbeatable location, and a fully remodeled home, this is the one for you. Let's go take a look. Welcome to this Birdland beauty. This home has gone through a complete renovation from top to bottom, creating a warm and inviting space perfect for entertaining and relaxing. This single-story, 3-bedroom, 2-bath home features tons of natural light, beautiful spacious bedrooms, and is a perfect place to call home. And what's a San Diego home without a perfect backyard? This oversized lot has been completely redone, featuring low, drought-tolerant plants, a covered patio, and the perfect place for the kids to play. Centrally located in the heart of San Diego, we're just minutes from everything here in America's finest city. If you're looking for the perfect remodel home right in the middle of San Diego, make sure to reach out to us today.